Yes, sir. Got it. This is the weightlifting geek, the intersection of technology and technique. Today is deadlift. We're on deadlift week 4. Watch to see how it goes. Oh, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. Make sure you like, comment, share, and ring that notification bell so you'll know when videos drop. Stay tuned for the workout.
Pull it up. Pick the bar up. Look at your feet. Your left foot. You saw how your right foot is a little bit more further.
I gotta make sure that's square.
Make sure you do it. Your toes. Whether you pull this way or pull this way. There could be a straight line.
Okay.
Going across.
Okay.
That way you don't get the bar drift or anything like that.
Oh, that makes sense. Alright, so y'all heard that tip. Make sure keep your feet straight and show your toes. Okay, so real quick, I like to drop these little gems in the video as we go. Taylor was telling me, along with one of the other gentlemen here, that my deadlifts are not using legs, which really drops what they can do. So now we got to try to start working our legs in, make sure you got good form. So we're going to keep that going. Taylor's going for 590 for 5. So keep watching. You're going to see us both working, but that's what's going on.
It's a lot better.
It feels weird because I've never done it. Yeah. But that works. I like it. Yes, sir. Got it. There you go. There you go. There you go. One more. Let's get it. Yes, sir. That's the 15-pound PR for 5, right? Yes, sir. That's good stuff. That's good stuff. You train with beats and you might become one. Now I'm gonna go back to mine.
There we go. Come on. So here's what we'll do.
That hurts.
We'll put 350 on my bar. Alright, we're going for 350. Do it double over. Like this. Yeah. Just rough them both like that. That way you can get it super tight. Come on, Joe. Come on. Up. One. Come on. Pull it. Come on. Pull it. 2. Come on. Go, Joe. Get it. Pull it. I counted. You locked it out. I locked it out.
It was close.
But you say take it off. Here, look. When you set it up, one, you may have to take it out the hole and make sure there are no kinks in it.
Okay.
A little tight.
Okay.
But take your hand. I mean, I want you to, once you get it there and wrap around, tweak it.
Oh, okay.
That way you're locked in.
Okay.
So
That's what I didn't do. That's what I didn't do. All right, y'all. We're calling that 350. It's progress. There's things about this that you... Oh, that's where y'all are. Never mind. Y'all can't even see me. All right, let me make sure y'all can see me. Okay, so we're gonna call that 350. 350 for 3. It was rough. You think that the heaviest part is lifting the weight, but honestly the heaviest part is holding the bar, because there's so much weight that the bar wants to roll out of your hand. I used the straps, and like what Taylor was saying just a second ago, I didn't tighten them on the bar, and that's why as I locked out, I lost it on the third one. But I pushed. I didn't quit. It hurt, and I didn't want to do it, but I pushed, and I did it. Don't quit. Don't stop. Let's keep going.
all right. So basically, it's gonna be still just like a deadlift.
Okay.
You can get, I'll probably do it double overhand,
Okay.
a little bit wider,
Okay.
and
Okay.
just like that, dead stop each time,
Okay.
3 reps.
3 reps. Okay. All right. So this is the dead stop rows, guys. So double overhand, a little wide. And like this. Or am I doing it
Yeah,
wrong?
you're good. One more. There we go. All right.
Okay. So that's how it goes. We'll come back when the weight gets a little higher. All right. So I'm gonna do 225. This is probably the most that I can do and keep form, because this is my first day doing it. So we're gonna take our time. Taylor, on the other hand, is a beast, so you'll see his sets coming up. But we're gonna see what we got here.
Let's go.
All right, y'all, this 275, best out row. Mr. Beast himself.
Now he lives in Greenville. He got a YouTube channel.
Yes, sir.
Boy Kings.
That's that road.
Boy Kings.
Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so we're doing T-bar rows. This is something new that I've never done before, but you might as well do something that y'all always comfortable with. So what Taylor said we're gonna do, we're gonna come through here, make sure it locks. Chest extension, chest extension. How many, Taylor? 2. And that's 10. Everybody smash this. Yes, sir. There you go. Let's get it. Good rep. Good rep. Hey, look, this is why you need somebody to push you. I'm about to strip down a little bit with the weight. The trainer say, nah, do 4 plates. So, we're gonna try to knock this 4 out. We're doing 6 to 8 reps on this last set. We were doing 10. So if you're counting, that's why this one is less.
Let's go, come on.
Yes, sir. Come on. 4, come on. 5, come on. 6, 7, come on. Uh-oh, y'all. It's time for that machine, the lap machine, AKA Mr. Red Bull. Get them wings so you can fly away. Hey y'all, this is Matt. He's here pretty much all the time that we're here. So anybody that's in the gym, we always try to get them on the channel. So this is Matt.
I'm a massage therapist. If you're ever in Greenville, want to come get a deep tissue massage, come see me.
There you go. There we go. This man
You
knows
too,
about
man.
YouTube. Ain't the same as selfless plug. There you go. Whew. All right. Might be too much weight. I can't control 90 like I control 80. I'm gonna have to go back down to 80. I want to be able to be in control and get something out of it. What's wrong with you? Hang on. You good, huh? Whew. That hurt. Yeah, hurts a little bit. You know what's bad? You can't even give somebody that without it hurting. You always know my voices and my family. It's part of what makes me me. And since y'all are my family on YouTube, you get to hear the strange, crazy noises. Enjoy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, come on, 13, come on, 14, come on, 15, come on, 16, 17, come on, 18, 19, come on. Don't get up. Don't get up. 21. Come on. Come on. Got your head. Come on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4. Come on. 5. Come on. 6. 7. Come on. 8. 9. Come on. 10. Come on. 11. Come on. 12. 13. 14, come on. 15, come on. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, Lord. Tell your back you commanding this growth. Let's go. Because you're getting ready to do the same thing to me. Come on. I think I'm going to enjoy that one better than this one. 60 straight reps. Let's go. Come on. 1, 2, come on. 3, 4, come on. 5, I see them traps. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, come on. 14, come on. 15, 16, 17, 18, come on. 19, come on. 20, let's go. Oh, God. Oh, appreciate you. Hey, look, you need somebody to push you. Because if you had bumped into me, Them last 40 wouldn't happen at all. Some people tell you to do something that they can't do themselves. That ain't Taylor. If he tells you to do it, he's gonna do it too. So that's what we're doing. This is the weightlifting geek, the intersection of technology and technique. We did it, we died. Taylor's a beast, as always. We dine, we come back Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We record good content for y'all, and we build. Stay tuned, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that notification bell, and we out.